This is Alpha Dominion Forex Traders. Today I'll be elaborating more on how you can actually take some trade successfully scalping by using 1 minute on my Boligaban Ichimoku strategy. I call it BIC strategy. Since the beginning of the year, I'll be giving you some posts on how to make this trade. I am a day trader, I'm a scalper. I go into the forex market and look at my green and red. Wherever it is favorable to me, I rush into the market, I take some money and I leave. So you can do the same, even with any level. You can grow your account, grow a smaller account of $50, $100, $200 on a gradual basis. If only you can recognize red and green. We're having red here, we're having green here, and we're also having Ichimoku. So we can look at something. This morning I've just entered this trade, which is still continuing. I am not going to leave this trade today. I'm going to remain on this trade for some time to actually see when it's going to give me green. It is when this trade is going to give me green in 1 minute that I will leave the trade. But I don't normally stay like this. All I did is just to go into the market, take as little as possible. Even this, I'm already okay with this $39,000 this morning. It's unbelievable. This is already okay. So this is scalping. So I don't need to be in the market. But to let you know that this is real, this subsists, that is something that you just need to wait for and learn, and have patience. Patience is key. Your patience here is very key, because it's only when you wait for you to see the red or the green before you go into execution, before you take the trade. So I'm going to okay. Okay, this is it. Now, this is my entry. You can see this is my entry. Because by the time I get to the office this morning, it was already 8:40 something. So I went in. Otherwise, if I had checked the system at home, I would have entered earlier. So what I'm trying to say is that when you look at this red starts from this particular point. This is where your red starts. This is where your red starts. The red starts from here, okay, down, and it's coming down to this place. You can see now the green start from here. The green start from here, and it continue. The green continue till it gets up here. Then the red start from here. So the beauty about this is that once you sight the green, let's assume this is here, not even an assumption now. This is where you sight the green, and this is your Bolliger Band. You can make choice of any Bolliger Band 50, Bolliger Band 100. Just make a choice of your Bolliger Band. Then once the middle Bolliger Band 2 goes into the green, it's telling you that it's time for you to buy. Number one, you see the green. Number two, you are seeing the Bollinger Band go into the green. So let's look at what is happening here. Now we can take a further scroll backward. Take a further scroll backward. Can take a further scroll backward. So this is green again. So this is green again, and you could see this is green, this is red. The Bollinger Band has taken the green up, so it means it's going to give you a lot of, it's going to give you some good money for the day, because this Bollinger Band is taking the cloud, the Ichimoku cloud, the green up from here. So let me bring in from this point. You could see from this point, you can see this is where the red starts. So and it's a good thing that from where the green started, if you take your entry and you wait, this is when you see red. So this red, these are fake red. It's faking out. It shows you red that I'm coming down. No, it's faking out. But the Bollinger Band will be able to tell you that since I've taken the price up, that will remain there. Okay? That is one. Then two, we need to look at the exact point where you are making your buy. So let me bring in my crosshair. So this is the point. This is the point. And if you sell here, if you sell at this point, you discover that if you buy at this point, because this is green, when you buy at this point, you discover that it's going to give you a lot of money for the day. But because we are scalping, we don't need to wait too much. That is why when you side the green, the moment the market, when you enter from here, when you enter from this point, the moment the market gets to this point, you leave, because that is enough. Then you wait for the red. You wait for the red, because when you buy here, then how do I put it now? Your stop loss will be below here. That is 7 pips. Can you imagine? When you buy at this point on green, your stop loss will be so small. You can see your stop loss is just 7. But you can increase it a little, make it 7.5. You put a stop loss. Now the green will fade out and it will show you red. Yeah, this is a short one. So most times I ignore this. That is why you see I don't take trade most of the time. Then again, you could see this one again. It gives you this green, and you can take a trade from here again. And take a trade from here, from this point again. Take a trade from this point, then to this point. So, and again, today, which is 24th of April, you can take your trade from here. You can even take your trade from here. At this point, take it from here. At this point, then you continue until you see green. So I try to explain the BIC strategy. What I will expect from you is try as much as possible to subscribe to me, send me a mail on alphadominiontraders@gmail.com so that I give you some details. I can train you online on what to do, on how to trade. Then you make your money, I make mine for a little fee. So that is it. Let's go back to what we have here. We're already having $39,000.